Road signs aren't just symbols on a pole. They're instructions that keep you safe every time you drive. In today's video, we're breaking down the 40 most essential road signs you need to recognize and understand before you get behind the wheel. We'll explain what each sign means and why it matters for your safety, awareness, and confidence on the road. Hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next clear, practical driving video. Let's get started and make sure you're ready to spot these signs wherever you drive. Question 1. Which picture represents the 100 yards to a junction ahead sign? The answer is C. Question 2. Can you identify the image of the direction to park and ride car park to sign? The answer is D. Question 3. Which visual corresponds to the maximum speed 20 miles per hour sign? The answer is B. Question 4. Which image depicts the give way to traffic sign? The answer is A. Question 5. Which visual shows the staggered junction sign? The answer is B. If you're 5 for 5 so far, give this video a like to celebrate your progress. Let's keep that momentum going as we dive into the next set of signs together. Question 6. Can you match the image to the appropriate traffic lanes for different maneuvers? One sign. The answer is A. Question 7. Which sign image represents lorries prohibited? The answer is D. Question 8. What image corresponds to the no articulated vehicles sign? The answer is B. Question 9. Which picture indicates the pedestrians ahead sign? The answer is D. Question 10. Can you pick the image for the no stopping sign? The answer is A. Question 11. Which visual represents the horse-drawn vehicles sign? The answer is B. Question 12. What image matches the maximum headroom of arch bridge directly ahead sign? The answer is A. Question 13. Which picture depicts the no U-turns for vehicular traffic sign? The answer is C. Question 14. Which image corresponds to the junction ahead from a motorway exit slip road to tourist attraction sign? The answer is B. Question 15. Can you identify the image of the vehicles exceeding height indicated prohibited sign? The answer is B. Want more practical road sign practice? Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss our next session. Question 16. Which visual represents the parking place reserved for disabled sign? The answer is C. Question 17. What picture matches the vehicles may be parked wholly on the verge sign? The answer is D. Question 18. Which image indicates the turn left ahead sign? The answer is A. Question 19. Can you select the image that represents the stop sign? The answer is B. Question 20. Which picture shows the cattle grid sign? The answer is A. Question 21. What image matches the direction to a motorway at the junction sign? The answer is D. Question 22. Which visual corresponds to the stop, children crossing ahead sign? The answer is C. Question 23. Can you identify the image for the additional traffic lane joining from the left in 200-yard sign? The answer is A. Question 24. Which picture represents the level crossing with no gate sign? The answer is B. Question 25. What image shows the diversion route sign, triangular sign? The answer is A. Question 26. Which visual corresponds to the distance ahead to a parking place with a tourist information point sign? The answer is D. Question 27. Can you pick the image for the slow-moving military vehicle sign? The answer is C. Question 28. Which image represents the solid circle emergency diversion route marker sign? The answer is A. Question 29. Can you match the image to the junction ahead of a primary route sign? The answer is C. Question 30. What picture corresponds to the all vehicles prohibited during the time indicated sign? The answer is A. If you know someone who's learning to drive or just wants to brush up on their road sign knowledge, share this video with them. It's a fun way to learn together and stay sharp for the roads. Question 31. Which visual depicts the stop before crossing, police ahead sign? The answer is B. Question 32. Can you identify the image for the series of bends ahead? Z-bend sign. The answer is A. Question 33. Which image shows the all three lanes closed sign? The answer is D. Question 34. Can you select the image that represents the controlled zone sign? The answer is D. Question 35. Which picture corresponds to the accident ahead sign? The answer is C. Question 36. What image shows the series of bends ahead sign? The answer is B. Question 37. Can you identify the image for the crossroads sign? The answer is C. Question 38. Which visual depicts the no pedestrian sign? The answer is A. Question 39. What picture represents the traffic merges onto the main carriageway sign? The answer is B. Question 40. Can you select the image for the accompanied horses sign? The answer is A. That wraps up our guide to the 40 most essential road signs. We hope this helps you feel more confident in recognizing and understanding the signs that keep you and others safe on the road. Let us know in the comments which signs you see most often where you live, or which ones you'd like more help remembering. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.